Hi, I'm Scott, and today we're doing demo on Dad It Yourself. Hey everybody, welcome to my project house. So customer has hired me to do a demo on this house they just purchased and kind of give you an idea what I'm going to be doing right off the bat. So this fireplace is coming down. Check this out. So we're going to demo that. I'm going to take out that pony wall. This wall right here, from this door jamb around and down, that's all coming out to give you an idea. This just divides the living room from the kitchen and really takes out some of the light and the openness of this floor plan. This is not a load-bearing wall. The joists actually run this way, and you can see that because that is the joist right there, and this is just next to it. So we're going to be able to yank that out. There may be a pole or a post in this corner. We'll see. I have a feeling there probably is because there's one right there too. So I'll leave that one there. They already took the carpet out of this area. I just have to pull staples and the tack strip and then clean this out. Out here, I'm ripping the surface off that deck. I'm going to be doing some work out here in this sunroom, which is all this skirting has water damage. So I'm going to pull that out and probably replace it with a fiberglass material. And then out here, if I can get out the door, here we go. This whole deck, I'm taking all of the decking material off this, and then we're going to restructure this deck so it fits. And someone else is doing the yard, not me. And then moving in here, back through here. Floors are staying, so I got to protect those. And then in here, I'm going to pull the carpet out of here and all the trim. And then in here, let's turn the light on. More carpet and all the trim and baseboards. Back here. Eventually we're going to gut this bathroom. Check that sink out. Oh, isn't that a beauty? And a new toilet. And then this bedroom. Oh, no light in here. Purple carpet. We're going to pull all this carpet out. And then I'm going to gut this bathroom as well. Oh, look at that. Another beautiful sink. So as you guys saw from my introduction, this fireplace is pretty loose. We're gonna go ahead and pull that over. I put boards down here because we're gonna protect the hearth. The homeowner wants to keep the hearth here. This is maybe connected in a couple of places with some anchors into the drywall, but generally we think it's just loose and it's sitting down here on the pedestals. Start bringing 2, 1. So we made quick work of that, and there was like, that's the only thing it looks like was holding it, was there was a couple of straps with some nails in the concrete. One there, and I can't even see a nail hole anywhere up here. So yeah, that thing was destined to fall. All right, next step in this room, we're gonna pull all the baseboards and all the crown molding, and then probably that wall right there. Okay, it's time to take out this pony wall. I've already turned off the power, disconnected all the outlets, and we're gonna cut it off right here at this wall and see what happens. There we go. One demoed bathroom. Only thing left is fan, and that's gonna get replaced. No toilet, got a rag stuffed in there to keep the sewer gases out. All those valves are holding. I know it looks like a drip, that's just when I pulled the supply line off. And there was a linoleum floor. There's a piece of it right there still. Well, that's all up to the flooring contractor as far as I'm concerned. All right. Let's take this beautiful carpet out of this room now.